High five. High five. Oh, very good. Catch. Habang nagluluto, play with Sarah. Ay, you're back! Ano? Ayaw mo na? Okay, bye-bye. No candy. Gusto niya may candy, may reward. Kana. Tampong baby ko tampo. Anong gusto? Doon, candy? Yan? Gusto mong candy doon? Gusto mong candy doon? No. Bye-bye. Okay, bibigyan natin siya ng candy. Ay, wait lang pala. Yung niluluto ko. I don't know na what happened. Down. Sit muna. Sit. Down. Roll. Very good.